Living in a big city can sometimes take a toll on our health, whether it is Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. Pollution, weather conditions, and sometimes a busy schedule, leaving those who live in it prone to quick colds and other infections. So, how can we improve our immunity to stay healthy? No matter where we live, there are plenty of holistic ways. First, eating more food with more antioxidants. Antioxidants are available in a number of fruits and veggies, and they are a great way to naturally boost up your body's immune system. Even nutrients like vitamin C, which are present in oranges, help build the body's natural defense against infections. Second, get more glutathione in your body. You might be wondering, what is this strange sounding thing? Glutathione. It is a natural antioxidant present in our bodies, but it gets lessened and depleted over time because of stress. To increase it, you need to eat cauliflower, onions, garlic, bhindi, haldi, chawanprash, etc. Third, do yoga. Yoga is a complete holistic way to purify and strengthen your body from within. Yoga, also in a natural way, helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone which negatively impacts the body's immune system. Fourth, take natural antiviral and antibacterial supplements. Eating a raw garlic early in the morning is an excellent way to boost your immune system. Garlic is nature's gift to fight cold and flu. Eating garlic helps boost the T cells in our immune system, which fight against viral infections. Fifth, get more sleep. Believe it or not, but getting proper sleep is also one way of boosting your immunity. A study found that those adults who slept more than 6 hours were more likely to get sick than those who slept longer. Turns out a well-rested body can fight infections better. At least 7 hours of sleep is a must. And in case you do fall sick, it's advised to sleep it out so your body can fight the infection better. Sixth, embrace positive thinking. Even when sick, it might sound counterintuitive. How can you be positive when your body is suffering and you are on bed rest? But a positive mindset is ironically linked to a more robust immune system. Science has confirmed that a positive mind boosts immunity. On the other hand, negativity reduces it. Even in sickness, you can practice gratitude for your body for all the good times. You can use sickness as a way to determine that you will love your body even more. One way you can do that is by embracing a more natural, holistic way of life. So you can also educate yourself on that. One simple way to do that: keep watching this space for more such content.